Building a website for your personal assistant service shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your personal assistant services. Let's get started. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't familiar with MultiSites yet, welcome to my YouTube channel. MultiSites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MultiSites will do all the hard work and literally generate a website for your business instantly. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. Don't worry about that for now because I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the MultiSites platform that makes us a little bit different from other website builders is we've actually pre-written all the content for you, specific to a personal assistant. We pre-selected images as well. They're all really high quality. And again, they are specific to a personal assistant. No matter what market you choose on the MultiSites platform, it will automatically have images that were pre-selected, very high quality, and content that was pre-written for you as well. Basically, we want to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a business or your small business. To make any changes, as mentioned, of course, you don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be very tech savvy either. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from a smartphone. So there's absolutely no need to hire anyone to help you with this. I'm going to click on the first section at the top over here, pop in my email address, and I want that to be visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Great. Your phone number is click to call. Physical location, maybe your online business or a mobile business, you can leave it off. But if you pop in your address over there when your website's live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links, put on the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make edits to your logo by clicking on the pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, just click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section, you'd like to change it up a bit, make it more personalized, maybe change the content. Just click on that handy button and you have the option to upload your own images over here or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can also connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're into. You can even upload a PDF file, which is a great way maybe to put your pricing points or your packages for your personal assistant services. Or if you take online bookings, maybe for like an introduction meeting or for your customers, you can pop in our website URL over here. A lot of our customers make use of calendar booking websites like Calendly. And the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you with all their queries. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain for your business, that was absolutely a smart move because having a custom domain for your website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. Go ahead and click on that button. You can connect it. MultiSites makes use of entry. It makes connecting your domain super easy. And if you don't have a custom domain yet, you can absolutely purchase one by clicking on our new domain. How convenient is that? I really hope this short overview video was helpful in building a simple and affordable website in just 5 minutes for your personal assistant service. I'm really wishing you and your business success. If you have any questions about our platform, do pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer your questions.